Hey guys, Hideaki here with another unboxing video, and this time we are going to unbox some Japanese candy. The people from TokyoTreat decided to send me this box of candy to unbox and show you guys. You also have a link in the description if you want to subscribe to TokyoTreat and receive boxes of candy, because everybody loves candy. And if you use that link, I will get a small fee for every purchase you purchase. For every purchase. Okay, that's better. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, open this up. Let's see. I'm gonna hit the camera. Yes, I'm gonna hit the camera. No. Okay, that's better. So we have a little book here, a little leaflet. Not leaflet, I don't know what leaflet is. It shows candies and stuff. Oh, Pepsi. Okay, gonna leave this aside for now. Let's see what's inside the box. This caught my attention very quickly. Kit Kat. Yes, I love Kit Kat. And I think this is lemon flavored Kit Kat. Also forgot to say, I will do some videos in which I will taste these candies. But and I will also warn you, there will be some heavy ASMR, if that's the way you pronounce it. So yeah, we got some Kit Kats, lemon flavored. Also, oh, I got a Pepsi, Japan Cola Pepsi, refresh shot. Very curious how it tastes. Okay, what else? These are potato chips, I think. Don't know what it tastes like. Don't know what this is. If anyone can tell me. Yes, can't wait. Can't wait to taste the potato chips because I love potato chips. What else we got? What is this? It's supposed to be ice cream or something. I mean, it looks like ice cream, but it's not ice cream. Strawberry flavor. Yeah. What else? What is this? Oh, this is already opened. Ooh. Gummy bears. I want to say gummy bears, but these are not bears, so gummy seashells. I think they taste like oranges. Yeah. What else? These are something that tastes like corn. Don't really know. Lucky cone. Okay, what else? These are tohato. Ah, I think they are a little bit like popcorn. Maybe, don't know. Caramel corn. Oh, okay. Can't wait to try this out as well. What else? What else? Don't know what this is. Has rabbits on it, so I guess it tastes like rabbits or fruits or rabbits. We'll just have to see. More candies. I think this tastes like, no, not strawberries, grapes or blueberries. And this is, oh, it's Pokemon related. I don't know, chewing gum or what? Don't know. For sale in Japan only. Okay, can't wait to try this out. Some more gummy fruits here. This is, I don't know, but I think it's lemon flavored. Don't know what it is. I think I saw this guy in an anime, but I don't know. Okay, what else? This is, I don't know. Still gummy bears? Oh, chewing candy. Okay, got to the bottom of this. Yes, chewing candy. And last, well, these are a lot. Crackers. We got crackers. Not a real big fan of crackers, but okay. So yeah, this was all that was in the box. Like I told you, you have a link in the description if you want to buy from TokyoTreat. I will also get a fee, and I will make a few videos in which I will taste these candies. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Not very entertaining, I know, but it's an unboxing video. What do you expect? If you enjoyed the video, give a like, share and comment. Also check out my other videos. And yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more unboxing videos and more tasting videos and more review videos and more drawing videos and more tutorials and more videos. Okay, I'm being stupid. Bye bye.